It's accessory day, and by accessory, it is snorkel day, or at least the start of snorkel day. Pulling rivets from the inner fender. I've only managed to break one so far. I'm actually watching a YouTube video on how to do this as I go, so I'm not really going to do much of a install video, but more of a just kind of like a as I go. I'll probably film a couple things. I'm gonna actually tag the video that I used to do this in the links below. So check out that video if you're looking to see an install video, because I'm not really going to go super in depth with this, because like I said, I want to make sure I do this right. I don't want to kind of mess it up by not paying attention, by focusing too much on filming. But anyways, pulling the inner fender currently, and going from there. So I already got the airbox out too. I am officially at the point of no return. Yeah, look at that. I got my holes drilled, templates on, about to do the hole saw. Put a big ass hole in my fender. Super exciting. Holes are all drilled. The snorkel, look at that. It's terrifying. Yeah, holes are all drilled. So now it's all drilled, I'm gonna start fastening up the snorkel, make sure everything is lined up. And then I'm also gonna clean up all the holes, make sure they're nice and not sharp. Yep. Oh my gosh, almost done. It is hot. I put down the phone for the most of this. It just got really obnoxious. This snorkel just works, but not easily. So I got a lot of work to do with it, but it's on. The airbox is sealed up. It's in the hood. It's not very well planted in the hood. Part of the thing I don't really like about the snorkel fitment is not great. Can't complain for like 150 bucks, but it's not great. So I'm gonna do some work on it and kind of customize it to make it work for me. But it's on, and it looks good. I like it. I just gotta put the fender well back in, and then just letting the silicone dry a little bit more, and then I'm going to start her up and make sure everything works there at least well enough for now to just drive it normally. Probably no water crossings anytime soon, or deep puddles to, until I make sure it's sealed up. But for now, I think it's all right. So I'll show you guys what it looks like in just a minute. I'm gonna finish up the fender well. All right, so here's the current airbox setup. I know the duct tape was existing. This is new, so I cut off the nozzle that was on here and siliconed on a piece of flat plastic. This actually came with it, and it was supposed to be the cover for this, but the cap was it was too small to cover this. So what I did was just cut it, and there's a bunch of silicone on the back side here and this piece, and what I plan on doing is get another piece of something to go over here. I get a piece of aluminum blank and just stick it over top of that and then RTV it on. This is another thing I didn't like. This hose here is way too big for the air piece here. It doesn't make sense. So the air connection here, or the hose connection here, the OD, the outside diameter, that is almost, I don't know, I would say almost 1/4 inch smaller than this OD, or this ID. And then it's the same here to this pipe. So it's all just different sizes. So all I want to do is probably get a piece of flex hose and just cover up the connections here or something, just so I could actually get a seal. Aside from that, wiped it out. It's not perfect by any means, but it's a snorkel. It looks cool, and it's safari-esque. So what more can you ask for? Yeah, this is what we're looking like, all buttoned up, hood closed. Just your average safari snorkel. I'll get some better pictures of it and stuff later, but for now, that's what I got.